January 5th, I made a full breakdown and video on Plug and why I see that there is an 80% upside if this setup holds. And in this video, I want to do a quick update because since we made that video, the stock is up about 25%, and this clean breakout up to $4.50 seems like it's going to happen if we take out a very key support / resistance level that we're going to talk about today. Now, if you want access to all of the indicators and all of the tools that we're going to be using in today's video, the link to our free course library will be in the description. You can get access to the BX Trender indicator, which we're going to be going over in this video under step 1. You'll get access to the Smart Money Zone indicator and learn how to draw those, which we're going to talk about in step 2, and the volume profile indicator, which will also be talked about in today's analysis. Now, the initial reason that we ended up taking this trade is because all of our criteria were met. First and foremost, the monthly BX Trender, which you can see at the bottom of your screen, has been increasing and holding green since basically July of 2024, even dating back to April. Now, this is a very strong and important indicator because this is going to show institutional strength on a bigger time frame. I'm not worried about what is happening day to day. I want to know what has the relative strength and money flow looked like over the past couple of months and where is it headed going into the future. Because if I can trade with these bigger setups and this bigger institutional strength, then normally I'm going to do very well. One thing I do want you to notice here is that market structure, however, was bearish. Now, we're going to talk about this in a little bit more depth right now, but if you want to learn about market structure, change of character, and all of this, then go ahead and take the Smart Money Zone Mastery course, which is free in the course library down below. Now, essentially, there's two types of structure. Bullish market structure, which looks like this, price breaking out, pulling back into higher lows. That is good. Then we have bearish market structure. This is bad. Price is selling off, bouncing. We do not want to trade this. And you'll see that as of recent, that's what was happening with Plug here. Every time Plug bounced, it continued to sell off. And even though there was buying pressure on the BX Trender, we want to make sure that we're trading with market structure if we can avoid it, right? We don't want to trade against it. So if we take a look at a change of character, or basically a shift from bearish to bullish, it will look something like this. Price will continue to sell off into those lower lows, which is not good. But eventually, price will break above a lower high and change character. When we want to get into this position is when price is pulling back into that first higher low. So you'll be able to see here that price changed character, broke over that resistance, pulled back into this support level, all while we had a ton of buying pressure on the monthly BX Trender. All of this is very, very good. Now, where we expect this pullback to happen comes basically in one of two ways. The first is by drawing a smart money zone. The way that we do this, and you'll learn it in that course more in depth, is to take a Fibonacci from swing low to swing high, and you will find your zone right here. This is normally going to be the lowest that institutions will allow a stock to pull back to before they buy the dip. And the reason they buy the dip is because structure is now bullish, which is good, and it's trading at a discount. The second way is by using a market bias indicator, which once again, you can get access to that indicator for free right next to the other ones. This indicator is going to do a lot of the guesswork for you as far as telling what is the structure of the stock. When it's red, this is not good. When it's green, this is good. I still recommend that you learn how to draw Fibonacci levels on your own, but that indicator will be a really good starting point for those of you who are new to technical analysis and more specifically new to our system. So as of right now, everything is looking beautiful, right? I think that Plug still is a huge setup. I think that even though it's up 25%, there's still like another 70, maybe even 80% move to the upside. And the last thing that we want to cover here is the volume profile. Now, that indicator is also free in step 3, but what this indicator is going to show is past buying and selling. You will see that this huge node, this big thick block that we have right here, is called the point of control. It's the highest amount of buying and selling that we have had in the past 150 weeks. This tends to act as a very strong resistance, but also as a very strong support. And when we have little volume above these ranges, price tends to break out aggressively when it actually happens. And that's why back here in September, we were able to move like 170% in 30 days. So I think there's a really, really good chance that Plug is going to continue to break out to anywhere between $4 to $5 in the next 3, 5, maybe 6 months. Now I am holding this in all of my funds, my major fund, as well as my retirement account and the 100K account that I trade with my Discord community. But I want you to understand that this is only basically 1.5 to 2% of my fund. I don't focus on trading all of my positions in like 1 or 2 stocks. What I look to do is actually take every stock that's meeting criteria, and then I look to disperse it and equally weight my portfolio across all of these amazing setups and then let them play out over time. I'll keep you guys updated when this hits our target. If you want access to all of our indicators and our courses showing you how to use them, the links will be in the description. And if you want access to that ETF, as well as my real-time trade alerts, all of our workshops, private tools, and software, the link to that will be at the bottom of the library under the private Discord community so that you can actually implement the system that we teach you for free with me and the team in real time.